Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Bentonville local and long distance movers near me. If you're willing to hire third-party movers, 3 Movers is a moving company in Bentonville, Arkansas that can provide you with high-quality services. Our movers in Bentonville, Arkansas also offer warehouse servicing for storing your goods for as long as you need them. A long-distance move is more complex than a local move because it requires more planning and coordination. Even so, if you use the right moving services like 3 Movers, it doesn't have to be a dreadful experience. A significant step to starting your move is the moving date. You should set deadlines for things like when you'll discuss moving with your family, employer, and building manager because a deadline will ensure that everything runs smoothly on moving day. Whether you move locally or across the country, stress-free planning and execution is crucial to a smooth experience. To plan for this, start packing early so you can give your providers plenty of notice and have everything turned off by the time you leave. To ease the transition into a new city, get in touch with local communities and research what resources you'll need. For example, you could check out if there are physicians and repair shops in the area. Lastly, it's also better to outsource your moving services earlier. You should do this to have a way of knowing if the services you avail of are the ones that best meet your needs. 3 Movers can help you with your moving needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bentonville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.